Yes, Calashao is up by 3 points, 17-14. It is a compact crowd, ladies and gentlemen, here at the Calashao Sports Complex.
Start of the second quarter.
Pavia to Pavia.
Teaching foul, legal screen ball number Lizelle Flores.
There's an offensive foul hit by the scavenger Flores against Talan.
Running ball number 1 right on the line for second motion.
There was a warning call
First personal foul Flores.
on Talan for
First team foul.
Enter being hounded by Pavia. Another reception by Pavia to the ball handler, Ventura.
10-7 shot clock.
They only have 700 shot clock.
Ryan on to that.
Elias attacking the basket. There is a offensive rebound on the post back for two. Gonzalez checking back into the ballgame. Gonzalez will make pressure. Sizing up his defender.
Foul number 11. Jeff Pavia. Second personal fouls. Second team fouls. Needless of God. Substitution. John Campbell for Jeff Pavia. Two shots for Ivan Declara.
First throw is good. Taking it 22-17. Extending the lead of Calashao to 5. That was another. Defense against the home team. They're giving a shout the dose of their own medicine. Torres being hounded by two defenders. Alcantara. A wayward pass by Alcantara. Forcing them
Remaining time 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Second quarter.
for Calasiao to extend their lead. They're up by 2 points right now, 23-21.
Vishal Torres. And this goes second personal foul. Working fouls. Warning for penalty. Team Asingan.
That will get the second personal foul of Torres and the 14th foul of Asigan already.
10 seconds. Shotgun.
Geralta, back to Barrio, Aguilar, lights up!
Number 33, Neves Peralta. First personal foul. Third defense.
There will be challenge from Calasiao.
Team Calasiao. The Crystals. Coach Chillins.
Trying to clarify whether Geralta has committed a pushing foul or not. Under 7 minutes left to play here in the second quarter, 6:57 to be exact. Official count, 21-23 still. Calasiao is up by 2 points. We'll pause for a break. Our officials would like to review. Ladies and gentlemen, it is your very own Calasiao versus the defending champion of the Eastern Conference Division, Asingan. Who will prevail? It is the home team. Can they manage to break the winning streak of Asingan, or Asingan could continue to have their winning streak? We'll find out, ladies and gentlemen. This is a jam-packed crowd, and we are live here at Calasiao Sports Complex. This is brought to us by the Governor's Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament, headed of course by the Honorable Provincial Governor
And the great performance of Team Calasiao was unsuccessful. Foul number 33, Neves Peralta.
Okay, there was a foul committed against Geralta, according to the officials. Torres being hounded. Pass the scavenger. Alcantara would not pull the trigger. Cross-court pass to Fabia. And wait a minute. Nice pass! Oh boy! Another between the two main men. Fabia and Torres tying the ball game and breaking it down. This is just the first level of the moment. Ladies and gentlemen. That was another biscuit defense by Fabia against Perez.
3 seconds to cruise the
Gonzalez to Peralta, back to Gonzalez, attack! Substitution replacing Perez and Aguilar. Back to of Calasiao. Pablo is there to complete a 3-point play. Designado John is now up by 2 points. 25. Mario. Talan. That's a flag. By Pablo. Abia looking right to them. Surveys the board. Torres says, come on, that's organized. Nice stop. Alcantara, no. That's too strong. Airball by Alcantara that time. Here comes Luis Salva. Yes, sir. That was a great move. The basket by Alcantara carrying the ball game at 25 all. This is just the second level of the ball game. Pablo drives in.
That's not showing right. 13 seconds on the shot.
Pablo was prevented by Rodelius and Puntalan going to the basket.
Substitution Rex Perez for Luis Gonzalez.
Gonzalez being replaced by Perez. Alcantara back to Fabia.
10 seconds shot back.
Alcantara pops. No. Mario flying high for that rebound. Fabia. Nice hit. Another foul to Perez.
Next Perez, that is your first personal foul. Penalty. Deep fouls, Team Calasiao.
Dapat nilalagay nila doon para
The chance for Juan Fabia.
Calasiao is now in the penalty, so that will mean 2 free throws for Fabia. We're tied for the second time, 25 all, ladies and gentlemen, with 4 minutes, 46 seconds remaining here in the second quarter of this ballgame. Fabia breaks the deadlock.
26-35 in favor of Pasigan. 26-35.
Another full court pressure. Mario. Oh boy! Oh boy!
8 seconds.
That is the 8 seconds violation.
Another turnover for the Calasiao substitution. And for 14 seconds on the shot. 14 seconds to shoot.
that we are having right now. There are counted by Ventura. Torres.
Michel Torres.
That's money on the back. Rodelia. Rodelias attacking the defense of Torres. 29-27. Here comes Torres. And that's the big rebound by the Scavengers. And Flores.
Foul number 7, Flores. Second personal fouls. Penalty. Substitution, Jeff Papia for Mark Papia.
Under 4 minutes left to play here in the second quarter, ladies and gentlemen. 29-27. The home team is embattled by the defending champion here
Substitution,
in Calasiao Sports
Flores.
Complex.
And he is number 3, John Lucius.
Only 2
Three
points.
shots for Iowa Ventura.
Ventura has the chance to tie this ball game with his 2 free throws. First throw, no problem.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 54 seconds in the second quarter.
One more free throw coming up. This can tie this ball game. Oh, Ventura getting his own miss.
Seconds to the shot line.
Here in the second quarter.
10 seconds.
Finding the line, that's a fly.
Personal